Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Samuel David Ayala, and we are working in the course Technology in Foreign Language Teaching. This is the task 3, and today I'm going to explain some mind map about the main characters or main topics of the Unit 2 of this course. Okay, so I create a mind map, and I'm going to explain so quickly to explain very fast and make a short video. Okay, so this is my mind map. The topic or the principal topic is technology in foreign language teaching, and the main topics or the principal topics that I choose was four. The first is Facebook gaming literacies, as you can see this. The second is mobile learning approach. The third is mobile-based tool, and the fourth is microblogs. The title of this mind map of or the approach is the writing processes. This is the topic: the writing processes and the improvement of writing skills. So I'm going to start to Facebook gaming literacies. Okay, in the Facebook gaming literacies or this topic, we mentioned that, or the author mentioned the importance or mm, the importance of relate the gaming with the writing skills. The author mentioned that he create or he used a game of Facebook that the name is Mafia Wars. The Mafia Wars is a game online that use the city of New York and the approach or the topic of the mafia, a illegal group with guns, with drugs, and illegal works to improve the textual skills. Of course, the objective is not represent a negative example or a negative message to the children or to the students, but the objective is to improve the textual skills. And this kind of gaming, this kind of games improve three things. The first is the engagement, because the game increase the motivation of the students. The students will be very motivated because there is a thing that motivates so much. There is very, very funny, very, very interesting, the Facebook gaming. So the students will be very engaged with the objectives that we want to do. The second is the problem solving. Of course, the game we have to do some missions. For example, there are other game, for example, Grand Theft Auto 5, 1, 2, 3, or 4 or 5, that you have to complete some missions and go to some other parts of the city, make some things with some cars or with some motorcycles and go to an edifice and sorry the expression kill someone, and well, do so many things. But the intention is the children, the students, have to solve that problem and use some vocabulary, some usual and some normal vocabulary to solve that kind of problems. And the third is the collaboration. The useful type of the gaming online, the Facebook gaming online, is because you have to play at the same time that the other partners. So you have to collaborate with them to create and increase your empire of mafia, your mafia empire. So the collaboration is very important and help the students to understand that the collaboration is very important. Of course, the principal topic and the principal objective of this kind of games is or for us, is the textual skills, is to improve the vocabulary, some usual vocabulary, and the conversation between pairs in different environments and different interesting environments from the students. That is the game in Facebook. The second topic is the mobile learning approach. The mobile learning approach is to use the mobile technology to improve the writing skills. The students can use this kind of, for example, technology or this kind of applications to be the own actors of learning and to be and to have a significant learning. I can use, for example, a good example of that, of mobile learning approach is Duolingo. Duolingo is an app to learn English, Germany, to learn French, and to learn about so much idioms and languages. And the intention of Duolingo is improve that language, that foreign language, through activities, through new vocabulary, through goals, through through a game. So the mobile learning approach is to use the technology and the facility of the cell phone to improve our writing skills. The mobile technology to reinforce the vocabulary. For example, we can use the language of our cell phone in English to reinforce new vocabulary. This is the mobile learning approach. Use the cell phone to improve my own learning and to be my own actor of my own learning and to have a significant learning. The number three is the mobile-based tool. It's a little similar to the second mobile learning approach, but the mobile-based tool is in specific tools that we use to improve our textual or writing processes. For example, and here you have Grammarly. So my camera is incorrect in the incorrect side, so I'm going to move. Grammarly. Grammarly is an excellent tool to reinforce our writing processes. Grammarly is an app that you can download in your computer or in your cell phone that help you to correct your orthography in the English language. For example, you are writing something and the how can I say, and the app help you and subrogate it, yes, and tell you what is the word that is incorrect, of course, in English. But what is the cool of this tool? That this tool, as Grammarly, was created by people of United States. So the language and the vocabulary is very native, so it's very useful. This app is very useful to improve your daily writing works and is interactive, is very useful, is very simple, and use the technology to help the students to improve their own learning processes. In China, there is an app very useful and very similar. Is like the same. For example, the students can use their computer or the cell phone in their classroom to choose to write some short paragraphs, and the app help you to correct what is wrong with the paragraph. So it's very useful. There is so many tools that help you to organize your kind of writing processes. Very useful. And the last is the microblogs. The microblogs is an useful tool for the teachers because help you to understand what kind of processes your students are living in their minds. So the microblogs, it is useful to reinforce weak abilities. For example, some people is have so much difficulties to writing something in English, but when the students start to write so much in daily times, every day, the improvement is very notorious. I can say we can see the improvement very easy. So for example, we have an example. For example, Edmodo. Edmodo is a platform to help the students um, to reinforce through the portfolio through through microblogs or summaries or journals and another kind of writing processes or writing tools. And the microblogs potentialize their writing skills through short blogs and fast interventions of students. So the microblogs help the students to express their own ideas, for example, of academic ideas or social or common ideas, common thinking, and to help the students improve their textual skills. So, well, this is my mind map about the Unit 2 of technology in ELT, and the principal topic was textual skills, the writing processes, all of that kind of information, all of that kind of titles or principal topics help, or the approach is to help to improve their writing processes. So this is everything for today. So thank you so much and see you later. Thank you so much.